paper, you can go do that. I picked some nice ones for you, though. So as long as you draw your line straight, you should be able to see it. Number 3, this is a real-world context problem of where you would see systems, and we can just imagine maybe this is non-members of a movie club versus members of a movie club where you get discounts, because we're talking about, if you read the graph, we've got number of movies at the x-axis, price for the movies on the y, and members versus non-members. So you have to kind of know how to read graphs in order to do this one. So we're going to kind of talk about context when we look at the answer of this, but still the same idea. Where is it crossing each other, and where is the solution at? So pause the video, come back in a few seconds, check your answer. All right, number 1. If you graph this accurately enough, and mine's a little ugly, but forgive it, and look and see if you got the right answer, 1, 5. And again, if you don't believe that is the right answer, go back and plug it in and see that you get 2 true statements, which you do here. So that means that 1, 5 is the correct answer. On this one, they had to be rearranged first, so you'll see my rearranging here and here. And then in red up here, I have how I graphed it with the slope and the y-intercept. Same thing down here, slope and y-intercept, and color-coded them for you. And the solution here should have been 6, 2. And again, if you've got something different and you're trying to figure out if maybe I made a mistake, you made a mistake, go back and plug in 6, 2 into your equations, and it should tell you if you got it right or wrong based on whether you get 2 true statements. All right, and on this one, remember we were talking about, like, we're just making this up because it didn't have a title to the graph, but maybe this is about whether or not it's a good idea to be a movie member in some kind of discount club. And so if you look, just generally speaking, at where they cross, if you look down here between 25 and 50, this would have to be 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, so we're going to say that the x value is 30. And then if you look here, we kind of got to go in halves here. We've got 100, and then my green line where the point is will be 105, then this 110, and then 115, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145, and so on. So we're just kind of making an estimate here because that scale's a little bit difficult to see. So we're going to say it's about 30 and 105, and in context, this means there's 30 movies, since X value is movies down here, for $105. And again, bring it back to context. That means for members or non-members, the price is going to be the same at this one point. They're both paying the same amount. Now, anywhere else on this graph, members would be paying less here, but then non-members would be paying less down here. All right, so it's a context problem, and you got to know what it means. So that one point is the only point where both the members and non-members will be paying the exact same price. Every other point in this scenario, one person will be paying cheaper than the other. Alright, so bring in context when you can. Go back through this video, get some extra practice if you need to, and until next time, keep practicing.